Namaskar. Bridge course, Standard 7th Maths, Day 44, Prisms and Pyramids. We today see prisms and pyramids. Let's understand. First, cuboids. All faces are rectangular of cuboids and opposite faces are identical or congruent. See here, this is a cuboid and cuboids have a rectangular shape. Each face have a rectangular shape and opposite faces, this face and this face, is identical. See here, identical. Cuboid is also called a quadrangular prism. See here, this is a cuboid, one type of a cuboid, but this is called a quadrangular prism. Cubes. When all faces of a quadrangular prism are equal square is called a cube. This is a cube because all faces are square shape. All faces are in square shape. So it is called a cube. Third, quadrangular pyramid. Base is a quadrilateral shape and standing sides are triangular shape is called a quadrangular pyramid. This is a quadrangular pyramid. Base is in a quadrilateral shape and the standing side are in triangular shape. So it is called a quadrangular pyramid. 4. Triangular prisms. Base and upper faces are in triangular shape and side faces are in rectangular shape is called a triangular prism. This is a triangular prism. Base and upper face are in triangular shape and other sides have a rectangular shape. So it is called a triangular prism. 5. Triangular pyramid. All sides or faces are triangular is called a triangular pyramid. This is a triangular pyramid. All faces 1, 2, 3 and base side all are triangular shape. So it is called a triangular pyramid. Then what is the difference between prism and pyramid? This is a prism and this is a pyramid. Then what is the difference between prism and pyramid? Keep in mind, prisms have base and upper faces are in rectangular shape, but pyramids have top or apex is pointed like a needle and side faces are triangular shape. Side faces are triangular shape. See, this is also quadrangular pyramid. Top or apex is pointed like a needle and side faces are in triangular shape. So this is a pyramid and this is called a prism. Another prism I can show you. This is also prism. Upper and base faces are in rectangular shape or they have no top or apex. Prism and pyramid given a name on a shape of their base. Base is a quadrilateral, so this pyramid is called a quadrangular pyramid. Base is a triangular shape, so this pyramid is called a triangular pyramid. Base is a triangular shape, so this prism is called a triangular prism. Base is a pentagonal, so this prism is called a pentagonal prism. So you can keep in mind, prism and pyramid give a name on a shape of their base. 6. Cylinder. You must have seen a tall tin with a circular base. A tin like this is a familiar example of cylinder. See here, this is a cylinder. Closed tin is called a closed cylinder. This is a closed cylinder. This type of base is circular. This type of base is circular. So it is called a cylinder. This is a cylinder. Cone. Clown's cap and ice cream cones shape is called a cone. When the circular top is not closed, Then cone have one curved face and one circular edge. Clown's cap, विदूषकाची टोपी. Ice cream cone, you can see ice cream cone. This shape is called a cone. Now sphere. The shape of ball is called a sphere. This is a sphere shape. Ladu, ball, pebbles are an example of sphere. Now we can see the name of a shape, figure, vertices, faces, edges, circular edge and circular face. First cuboid. See the diagram. Also see this cuboid, and first we count vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upper vertices 4, lower 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So vertices is 8. Now we count faces. Upper face, base pair 1, 2. Front, back 3, 4. Right, left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. Now we can count edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upper 4, lower 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So cuboid have 8 vertices, 6 faces, 12 edges. Now we can see a cube. This is a cube. We can first count vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count a face. This is a square shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cube have 8 vertices, 6 faces, 12 edges. Both are same. Now we can see a quadrangular pyramid. This is a quadrangular pyramid. First we count a vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertex. We count a face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means the standing sides are 4 and base is 1, 5. Count edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quadrangular pyramid have vertices 5, faces 5 and edges 8. Triangular prism. See this triangular prism. We count vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we count face. 1, 2, 3, 4. Base is 5. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Edges are 9. 6 vertices, 5 faces, 9 edges. Now we can see a triangular pyramid. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4. Faces 1, 2, 3, 4. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So triangular pyramid have vertices 4, faces 4, edges 6. Then you can see a cylinder. Cylinder have 2 faces, 1, 2. And 2 edges circular, 1, 2. And this is also curved face. Cone have a 1 vertex. It is called a apex. And 1 face, circular face, and 1 curved face, and also 1 edge. It is circular edge. Cone have 1 vertex, 1 curved face, 1 circular face, and 1 circular edge. Solve. Question 1. Write differences between prism and pyramid. Prism have base and upper faces are in rectangular shape. This is a prism. But pyramid have pointed top like a needle and side faces are triangular shape. This is prism, this is pyramid. Question 2. Draw net. Question 2. Draw net of quadrangular pyramid. Quadrangular pyramid means base is a quadrilateral and side faces, standing faces are in triangular shape. So I can draw here a net of quadrangular pyramid. Question 3. Draw net of triangular prism. Triangular prism base is and upper shape is triangular and side faces are in rectangular shape. So I can draw here net of triangular prism. Now question 4. Complete a chart. We can give a name of shape and asking vertices, edges and faces. First quadrangular prism, that means cuboid. Here is a quadrangular prism. We can count the vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, upper 4, lower 4, total 8. Now we can count the faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, base is a 6 face. Then we can count the edges 1, 2, 3, 4, base edges are 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So quadrangular prism is 8 vertices, 12 edges, 6 faces. Quadrangular pyramid. This is a quadrangular pyramid. We can count before. Here vertex 5, edges 8 and faces are 5. Pentagonal prism. Pentagonal prism. This is a pentagonal prism. We can count the vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, upper 5, lower 5, 10, edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pentagonal. So here are 5 standing rectangular face. 5, 6, 7. So pentagonal prism have 10 vertices, 15 edges and 7 faces. Pentagonal pyramid have 6 vertices, 10 edges and 6 faces. Hexagonal prism 12 vertices, 18 edges, 8 faces. Hexagonal pyramid 7 vertices, 12 edges, 7 faces. In this way we can see a three-dimensional shapes, their names and vertices, edges and faces. Thank you and subscribe my channel to next video.